This is lesson 20 or 5-20.1. We're going to talk about sales tax and just a little bit on excise taxes. We're going to use the percent method to find sales taxes and then find the marked price of a sales tax given the total price. Sales taxes are taxes that are extra to the amounts that a business collects and later pays to the state. There may also be local taxes, such as in Eau Claire County, there's a county tax. And some states don't have any tax on food or medicine. Wisconsin is one of those. Laws vary, but some purchases made in one state and delivered in another don't include tax. And that's a really big problem right now with internet sales. States are getting mad that they aren't collecting all their sales tax because people are buying things using the internet. In Wisconsin, you're supposed to file, when you file your income tax, you're supposed to say how much stuff you bought outside the state and then pay sales tax on that. All right. Tax then is money that's collected by a government for its support and for providing services to the people. A sales tax is a tax that is based on the price of a purchase. The tax is collected at the time of the purchase, and the business periodically sends the collected tax to the government. An excise tax is an extra tax, such as on food, alcohol, and tobacco, and Wisconsin has all three of those excise taxes. Tax rate is equal to the tax per dollar purchased. It's usually given as a percent or a decimal. So you find the sales tax by multiplication. Find the sales tax. Oops, just a second. Find the sales tax on $128 at 6 cents per dollar, or 6%. So since we want the sales tax, we're going to take 128.72 times 0.06. Remember, you have to switch that to a decimal. So on our calculator, we'll press 128.72 times 0.06, and we get, switch to decimal, $7.72. Next one. All right, so for this next one, find the sales tax on a dress that costs $49.99. And then times 0.07. Now, if this was Minnesota, you wouldn't have to pay sales tax on it. But in Wisconsin, we do, so that'd be $3.50. Find the sales tax on 3 CDs totaling $36.94. And the sales tax rate is 6.5%. It's 0.065. And we get $2.40. Find the sales tax on suntan lotion that costs $10.99, and the tax rate is 5%. And we get 55 cents. Round up. Next one. Now they say find the excise tax on a $45.93 purchase of gasoline where the excise tax rate is 27.1%. Now really, the excise tax is usually included in the purchase price, but let's just pretend that in this case it wasn't. So 45.93 times 0.271, and you'll see that when you buy gas, $45 worth of gas, you're paying $12.45 just for the fuel tax. So to find the total marked price, you just add the sales tax. Now, if you're given the total marked price, you have to divide by not just the sales tax rate, but 1 plus the sales tax rate. So, a movie ticket. Let's do this one right here. A ticket to the movie you saw last night cost $8.50 and included tax. So we're going to take the $8.50 divided by 1.07 because you take the tax rate, and then you're going to divide by the purchase price too. So 8.50 divided by 1.07, and you get $7.94 was the purchase price before you added the tax. Next one. Find the sales tax. Okay, so now we know that it's $7.94, so $8.50 minus $7.94 gives us the tax of 56 cents. Find the marked price on and sales tax on a box of popcorn that is a total of $3.50, so 3.50 divided by 1.06 gives us $3.30, which means the tax would be 20 cents. $2.50 divided by 1.065 gives us the price with before the sales tax of $2.35, so that would be 15 cents tax. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.